I'll show you the top 5 tips for managing view-only wallets in Trust Wallet. I'm assuming this is your own wallet that you're gonna make into a view-only wallet. First off, you'll have to secure your public address. Ensure that the public address of your view-only wallet is securely stored and only shared with trusted parties. Although it can't initiate transaction, revealing it widely can still expose your financial activities to others. Second one, regularly monitor transaction. Regularly check your view-only wallet to stay updated on incoming transactions, token balance, and potential unauthorized activity. You can also set up notification for specific addresses using blockchain explorers like Etherscan or PSC Scan. Third one, keep track of gas fees. While you can't unsend transaction from a view-only wallet, monitoring gas fees is essential for understanding potential costs for future transactions. It also helps in planning when to access wallet in the private key. Fourth one, use portfolio trackers. Integrate your view-only wallet with portfolio tracking apps like CoinGecko or Delta to maintain a consolidated overview of all assets, even those held in other wallets. This is especially useful if you manage multiple wallets. Fifth one, stay alert for phishing scams. Scammers may attempt to trick you into revealing your private key or seed phrase. Never enter these details in any website or app claiming to offer access to your view-only wallet. Trust Wallet never requests private key or seed phrases for viewing purposes.